Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by isolating power. Unplug the Apple TV and any HDMI or USB devices. You do this because residual signals can mask faults. Next, plug a lamp into the same outlet to confirm power. If the outlet is dead, a blinking LED won't mean anything. Once done, plug the Apple TV back in without HDMI attached and watch the light. This reveals whether the boot cycle or external signals cause the blink. Make sure to note blink speed and color for later steps. You now try resets and a restore because software corruption often shows as blinking. Start with a soft reset. Hold menu and home until it restarts. If blinking persists, connect to a computer with Apple Configurator or iTunes and perform a DFU restore. This reloads firmware cleanly. While restoring, observe status lights and computer messages. They tell you if the device reaches DFU or fails to respond. Once the restore completes, reconnect HDMI and test again to separate software from hardware. You finish with hardware isolation to confirm the cause. Swap the power adapter and HDMI cable with known good parts. A faulty adapter or cable often causes blinking. If you're comfortable and trained, open the case to inspect for bulging capacitors, burns, or loose board connectors. These are hardware signals you can see and smell. If the issue remains, record the exact blink pattern and any error messages, then contact Apple support or a qualified technician. This documentation speeds repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.